All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Thursday adverbs. So hard, hard, something not soft or easy. Yeah, those are hard rocks, for example. That was a hard place. Not easy. It is a hard game to understand. Those were hard choices. Not easy. Whew, yeah. We think those actions were hard to predict. Yeah. It was a hard thing to use. Yeah. They always make hard tools. So yes. So sometimes we have to make hard choices. Yes. Those hard actions are not straightforward. Not straightforward. Yeah. We think they will have a hard life. Yeah. They will have a hard time in the jungle. Not easy. Not easy. Yeah. No way. Yeah. So, can you use hard in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.